You were injured in a motorcycle accident. How do you prove the other driver was at fault? Depending on the facts of your case, some or all of the following evidence could help you prove the other driver was at fault and is responsible for your injuries: the police report, a traffic citation issued to the other driver, eyewitness statements, statements made by the other driver after the accident, physical evidence at the scene, and photos and videos including traffic cam and dash cam footage. A good personal injury attorney can help you gather this evidence and get the compensation you deserve.